Hi there, in this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly what BNB Business is all about and how you, your loved ones, your family can financially benefit from this amazing decentralized system. Before I do so, I wanna talk to you a little bit about BNB Coin. BNB Coin, also known as Binance Coin, is the number 4 largest cryptocurrency on the coin market cap. BNB Coin was created as a utility token to lower fees on the number 1 exchange known as Binance Exchange. Now, BNB currently at the time of recording this video is valued at $500. Now, it wasn't always like that. As a matter of fact, 1 year ago from today, Binance Coin was only valued at $20. Now, what does that mean for all of us? What it meant is that had you actually bought Binance Coin 1 year ago from today, of the time of recording this video, you would have had a 2,500% increase on your money. Talk about a huge punch in the gut. Now, many of you may be watching this video and saying, well, is it too late for all of us right now? As a matter of fact, it's not too late at all. It's only just beginning. Now, many analysts are currently saying right now that Binance Coin can be the next runner up and possibly even outperform Ethereum. So what does it mean for you and I? You want to accumulate as much Binance Coin as much as possible before that next bull run. Now, basically at this point, you're asking yourself, what is BNB Business? BNB Business is a peer-to-peer crowdsourcing model that utilizes smart contract technology. Smart contract technology decentralizes the payment system, so there's no altering, there's no commingling, there's no people ciphering out the money. It's a payment system that goes peer-to-peer, in and out, and it actually is a great way to actually promote community building while allowing members who provide contribution the ability to learn and earn BNB along the way. So through this unique, transparent, decentralized system, members that even do not refer a single person can also still earn from the efforts of this community, and we'll show you that on the next handful of slides. So how can I get started? There's 7 ways that you can actually get started. And basically you can start off as little as 0.1 BNB. Now remember, at the time of watching this video, BNB is currently worth $500. So basically 0.1 is about $50. And if you basically get to the next package, which is 0.2, the next was 0.4, then 0.6, 1 BNB, 4, and the largest package is 10 BNB. Now, what's interesting is that you can actually buy multiple package to get yourself promoted to, for example, 1 BNB. If you wanted to get to 1 BNB, but you don't have 1 BNB right now, you can buy 10.1s, and that would equate to 1 BNB. Every contribution you do will always help you up your package level. So what do you get when you provide contribution towards this community? Well, you start unlocking levels in what we call the single line power leg. You're able to receive 1% from each package purchased or re-ups in up or down single leg family again and again and again. Now imagine a community where there's not all these different structures or anything, it's just one entire leg. And basically at this point is every single person that gets started, they will fall underneath you and you can financially benefit from what they purchase or what they contribute. So if you purchase 0.1 BNB, you're able to actually earn from 10 levels up. Now think about that for a second. People above you, you can actually financially benefit. Every single time that they purchase a package or they re-up their package, you're able to pick up 1% up to 10 levels above you. If you purchase 0.2 BNB, you're able to pick up 12 levels above you. 0.4 BNB, you can pick up 14 levels above you. And 0.6 BNB will allow you to earn 16 levels above you. Now, packages 1 through 10 BNB will allow you to unlock the total of 20 levels above you, that every single time that they purchase or re-up their package, you're gonna be able to pick up 1% of that every single time. You will also earn from people below you. Now, what's interesting is that the moment that you get started, every single person from the entire world going forward will fall underneath you. Now, just like earlier, at point 1, you're able to earn from 15 levels down. At point 2, you'll be able to earn 18 levels down. Point 4 BNB will allow you to earn 21 levels down. Point 6 will allow you to earn 24 levels down. And 1 BNB through 10 BNB will unlock a total of 30 levels down, giving you a total of 50 different positions that will pay you 1% every single time that they purchase a package or re-up their package so that they can move higher through the system. This is extremely very powerful. All you need to know that if you put in between 1 to 10 BNB, it will give you the maximum benefit of earning from 20 levels above you and 30 levels below you every single time that they purchase or re-up their package. You're picking up 1% of the total of what they're putting in. Now, there's another income that's called sponsoring income. This is where 50% of all packages, whether they're new purchases or re-ups, will be distributed to their sponsor, and all the way up 6 levels, okay? Starting off at level 1, 20% direct sell bonus. Number 2 is 10%. 3, 4, 5, and 6 will provide you with 5% direct sell commissions. Now, 3 to 6 will require 4 direct sponsoring. Let's say, for example, that you brought 5 people in directly, just on the sponsoring income. 5 times 20, you'll be able to pick up 1 BNB. Now, let's say you turn around and help those 5 people bring 5 people in. That becomes level 2. At level 2, you're picking up 10%. If you take 5 times 5, that's 25. You'll be able to earn 10% of that, so that's 2.5 BNB that you'll be able to pick up in your wallet. Now, if you help those 25 find 5, that's 125. You pick up 6.25 BNB at 5%. Now, 4, 5, and 6, you're duplicating the exact same thing. If you add all of it together, again, results may vary. This is a perfect scenario that doesn't happen. But if you had this duplicated in 6 levels, you're picking up a total of 978 BNBs. There's a few qualifications that you must know before we conclude this section. At 0.1 BNB to 0.99 BNB, every single time you withdraw, you'll be able to pick up 40% in your wallet, and 60% will re-up towards your next package. At 1 BNB to 3.9 BNB, 50% you'll be able to withdraw into your wallet, and the other 50% you're re-upping towards your next package. Now, there is a requirement of 4 direct sponsoring to be able to pick up 50%, 50%. Now, at 4 BNBs to 9.99 BNB, you'll be able to have 60% withdrawn into your wallet, and 40% will re-up towards your next package. This will require 2 direct sponsoring. And finally, at the 10 BNB, you'll be able to actually have 70% withdrawn into your wallet, and 30% will re-up, and this requires no direct sponsoring. As you are withdrawing, you are redistributing a percentage right back into the community. 30 up, 20 down, they're able to benefit 1% from your withdrawal, and when they receive it, they have to withdraw into their wallet. So when they do that, they're able to actually pay 1% 30 levels up, 1% 20 levels down, and it will continue to spread from there. Now, here are the next steps. Number 1, get back with the person who invited you to take a look at this video and let them know that you want to be part of this community. Number 2, you want to follow the onboarding steps to get started. If this is your first time participating in a smart contract or you're participating in a decentralized community, it could be confusing. However, this community has onboarding videos that walk you through step by step to make it easy for you to participate and get started and benefit financially right away. Number 3, experience your first withdrawal. I remember the first time that I withdrew my first deposits, I was extremely excited. So make sure that the moment you get started, wait an hour, wait half a day. The moment you see some BNB in your account, withdraw it immediately. Number 4, and the last thing is share this video and invite others to the community so that way they can learn exactly how all of us are benefiting from this amazing community. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.